Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to have multiple accounts in Monopoly Go. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to your settings at the top right corner. There's a button with the three lines. After that, click Manage Accounts. Here you will have the option to choose your account, whether it's Facebook or your Apple or your contacts. This is the only way to have multiple accounts, and it's that simple. You just need to sign in with your Apple or your Facebook or your contacts account. And that is how you have multiple accounts.